Guys, Luis told me to stand completely still, so I will be standing completely still.
Nate's favorite thing
for
to
this
do.
Intro.
Nate's favorite thing is when I'm trying to set up the camera, he's like, and I'm like, where are we standing? So I know where to put the camera.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are doing another ball review today, as I'm standing completely still. All right, enough with the bullshit. We got a new ball today, the Brunswick Warning Alert. Are we doing another 1v1?
Yeah, we're doing another 1v1. Wow.
Wow.
We're doing another 1v1, but this is the first ever Cosmic Bowling 1v1 ever on the internet.
Planet.
Ever done.
So if you guys want to see more of this content, make sure to hit the subscribe button and drop a like on this video. It's completely free. We appreciate it in advance. But yeah.
It also looks pretty cool right now. Like,
it does.
The logo, this is actually like perfect. Look at this.
Yeah, it's like glowing a little bit, the neon lights we got going on. So yeah, another 1v1, bowling on a pattern, 44 feet. Should be fun today. Oh, Elise is gonna put it up.
It's right here.
Right there. We're just gonna talk about the Warning Alert. It is a pearl. It is obviously the same pour as the Alert. This one is going to be cleaner and sharper.
We like the Alert, so...
We like the Alert.
We should like this, right?
Yeah, so incoming warning, we should like this one.
All right, let's get on the lanes.
Let's do it. So Elise is standing on like 23. Throwing that thing.
Oh, I slid.
Pretty decent.
I overslid.
Start.
I like overslid, but it's okay because I did a foul line adjustment and slid it right in the right spot on the lane too.
Did I slide into your DMs? This one's gonna be rough.
You got it.
I haven't bowled in a minute.
Got it. That's what happens when you have to take important phone calls in the middle of filming a video.
In the middle of our videos. Oh.
Right up the gut. We both did it right up there.
Yeah. I mean, we got a little bit of hold. Got a little bit of hook, a little bit of hold.
Holding?
Successful.
Speaking of holding, this has everything to do with holding. I'm holding the Nate Lease chamois, which you can get down here at nateneelease.com right now. And it also happens to glow in the dark.
Love that.
So, if you want to hold a DH Lab chamois, go ahead and
hold yours today.
Hold yours today. Also, we have the official ball reviewer chamois in the store as well.
That's right. I don't think we told you all about that. Y'all want a chamois that is an official ball review chamois? Go ahead and grab that one as well. That one
I didn't quite hit that, but give her a go. My favorite is when Nate makes us wait like 20 minutes because he has to take a phone call. Then I have to warm back up again.
Sorry
it's my
about
favorite.
That. I'm sorry.
But we do authentic ball reviews here. So we don't restart the game.
Yep, you guys come along.
We just keep it going.
The good old shit show. Great spare.
And of course, let's say it with me, guys.
We don't have
I forgot my spare ball.
Spun one that. Can't talk. Spun that one a little bit. Wasn't trying to spin it. I was trying to roll it, and it went. Phew.
Whoa.
Yeah, I was a little nervous on that, not gonna lie. I'm like, when was the last time I shot a spare?
That was pretty good.
Curl.
Yep.
Ooh.
Every time I say that's pretty good off my hand.
That was good.
That was good. Yeah.
You love to see it.
Yay.
That one pretty decent. All right, might just have to parallel. I'm a little too on top of the friction. Through three. Me and Elise should be dead tied.
Why are you score watching?
Yeah.
Why don't you just throw your shot?
I was just letting the audience know.
Yeah, I'm gonna show them right now. We're dead tied until you miss this.
You know who I am? Did I miss it? I don't think so.
I 10 pin, but I think I just need to have a little bit more belly in the front lane, so I'm gonna move a little left.
Hook off it.
You don't have a chance. I know you can beat me on the house shots.
Okay,
but when we get on the tough shit,
here we go.
You ain't tough shit.
Someone gets 2 strikes in a game. Yep, here we go.
Gotta make him think about it. Oh, he tried to copy me.
How in the world did that strike? Oh, sorry guys, I got distracted. Look at you go. Look at you go.
I'll just be the silent killer. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm gonna let you.
Okay, you do that.
Your own demise.
Sure. Now that was a little better. We love DH Lab.
Your DH Lab lacks a little bit definition.
A little flat, yeah. Let me, there we go. How's that?
Goodbye. I actually think bowling on this pattern shows the characteristics of the ball a lot better because anyone could throw this ball on a house shot and strike, obviously. Any ball will hold in the oil and hook to the right on a house shot. This just really shows you how this ball can really dig through the oil and still save enough energy down lane on this flatter oil pattern that it's not as there's not as much defined friction. So I actually think you're getting a better read of what this ball is actually capable of. And there we go, it holds in the oil, and there he is. I'm like working on something with my swing, and that one was a little fast. I didn't quite let it.
You didn't quite let it.
I didn't quite let it.
Like tuck up in there and do the rotator.
I didn't let it tuck.
Yeah. Two. Yay.
That's like my worst spare. So when I make it, that's like getting a 4-bagger for me.
Oh yeah.
Little score update.
My God, man.
Are you gonna cry?
I would, am I gonna cry? No.
I didn't say that.
I thought you said, are you gonna try? That's what I thought you said at first.
I didn't quite hit it, but it should be okay.
Oh, tickle him.
Who helped me on that?
Calling somebody in the back.
I did.
I know.
Thank you, Mike. Shout out, Mid-County Lanes.
That's right.
Telling your guy to kick that out for me.
Big Mike.
Since I don't think you told anyone yet, what's the layout?
You're right, I haven't. I was going to. I think we went with 60 by 5 by 35 for both. It's pretty. She hits hard.
She does.
She is she's pretty good. High friction center. If you haven't been to Mid County Lanes, make sure to come check them out here in Middletown, Delaware. Yeah, you're always going to see hook here, so this ball is definitely going to shine, especially on 44 feet. It has no problem hooking. We like it. It's a one-pin game. Alicia's still getting that ass.
I need it to hold. No, that is not ideal.
No.
I thought it was going to hold a little bit there.
I thought so too. Can she be a shooter? Oh, we're going to need a bounce.
Bounce. It's okay, Nate's ready for his 4-9 right now.
This is my chance.
It's your chance to get that 4-9 and show everyone how to pick it up.
The 4 and the 9, I think, fell. I'm not sure. Did it fall?
Little 2 and 1.
Little 2 and 1. Let's see what happens here. It's pretty decent. Oh, okay. That was pretty good.
I didn't hit it as much as I wanted to, but
It's very good. Very good execution.
it was decent. It was decent. It was like a 7.5 out of 10.
WIU spare.
There we go. Once again, just proving that every ball can be a spare ball. Okay?
Every single one.
No excuses. I want to know who else on the internet is proving that everyone could use any ball and make a spare. No one should ever miss a spare.
Nobody. Nobody else is doing it. So
No one
that's
else
why you
is-
guys should subscribe.
Yeah. Why?
No one's doing it.
Why would they come to a ball review to watch me strike the whole time?
That's so boring.
I know.
It's literally so boring. That's so dumb.
All right, we need a little overhit here. Greek Church, Big 4. Ugh, he's so annoying.
Well, we'll take it where we can get them. Hopefully I don't use them all up tonight. Tonight, as this video is being recorded, I'm bowling with some studs. You're gonna see this vlog a little bit later. Me, Brandon Bone, Alex Cavanero, Justin Knowles, bowling Rep Your Set here in Middletown, Delaware. We're here at Battle Bowl Week. This is the first event that's gonna kick off the rest of the weekend. A ton of bowling, so yeah, we're gonna come away with a dub tonight. Yeah.
It's not in Middletown, Delaware. It's Wilmington, Delaware.
Is it?
Yeah, because we're in Middletown, Delaware right now.
My bad. I mean,
We're gonna go to a
we're in
different.
Delaware,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah.
Because all the cities are the same in every state.
Exactly, you know.
Yeah.
because,
Miami
you
and
know,
Orlando, same
they're next
city.
door. Might as well be. Sorry, I'm distracted.
Me too.
Look at that fucking
Can see-
schnauzer.
yeah, look her. I can see it too. I need a double to win the U.S. Open right now.
Yeah, let's do that. Oh man. Well, it's okay.
Tragic.
Seven spare strikes a tie.
Bro.
There we go.
I really love when I don't use my fingers, when that's literally the whole point of bowling.
Yeah, you got to use them.
Like, I get the ball in the right spot, and then I'm just like...
We can't have our thumb and fingers come out at the same time, you know.
Like, I'm pretty sure the dyno ramp had more velocity coming off.
100%. Oh, well, now we use everything. All right. Well, second place for 40 grand's not bad, right?
I'm really good for 190 if I didn't split. Tragically. Really good at getting that kick on the 10.
Yeah, it smacks the crap out of the 10 pin. This ball's good, man. Like, I did not give it a fair shake when I was originally like testing it, short form content. But now that I'm able to throw it in multiple patterns, it is really, really good. If you're looking for a benchmark pearl, this is going to be the ball, and you guys can get it at NateandElise.com. We have 115 pound coming in stock before anybody else. So if you want to get the first warning alert. For anybody else, head over to nateandelise.com. First one to pre-order gets it. Everybody else can pre-order it. And when it comes out, you guys will get it straight from us. Oh, whoa.
Give him everything. Why don't you?
All right, let's move a couple more. Let's move like 3 and 2. Let's see what it can do. I'm kind of flirting with that hook zone right now, so let's stand 22. Look at like 15, 16. Kind of expected it to float a little bit longer. What we got, 240? I'd say I like mid-county lanes. The last 2 videos we've done here, I've gone 259, 248. So 107 over for 2 different days. Love it. Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you. Another ball review in the books. What do you think of this thing though?
No, I really like it. I think it's honestly the perfect complement to the alert.
Yep.
Because there's been times where the alert keeps me where I need to be too still on top of it to get the 10 pin out. So for me, it forces me to try to throw it faster, which then just forces me to tug it.
Yeah.
And I just needed something where it was a little bit cleaner, and that's exactly what this is. I feel like sometimes when they go from like the solid to the pearl is never really exactly close to what the solid is, but this is exactly what the solid is. But like I said, gonna give you that little bit more pop, but also be able to keep you in the ball longer, which is why I think the alert was such a great ball. It's a good benchmark ball that you could, if you found it with it, you could stay in it for multiple games.
100%.
It didn't force you out of it.
Yeah, and I feel like the gaps sometimes between solid and pearls in the same line, same core, different cover, sometimes they like vary so much, and I feel like these are the perfect complement. They're like, it's not like a huge gap difference, it's like one after the other, and you know exactly, okay, when the alert's done, you can go to this one and you're gonna see the same exact shape with a little more length and a little more pop.
Yeah, and like you saw today, we bowled on a 44-foot pattern, and like I said, you could throw, obviously we've all seen the alert strikes on a lot of different house shots that had a lot of honor scores, but you saw that this ball as a pearl still dug in the oil. Like we were pretty far left and it was still getting through the oil and popping down lane, even on a sport pattern.
100%, yeah. Thank you to Brunswick for allowing us to showcase these amazing products. And like I said earlier, if you want to get your warning alert, make sure to go down to nateandelise.com. You can get all the merch, you can get the bowling ball, you can get the chamois, all that good stuff, nateandelise.com. Thank you guys so much. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.